Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory. And for all the full arch doctors out there that are either currently doing CHROME GuidedSMILE or they're thinking about getting into the full arch world and they want the best stackable system out there, or even for the freehand doctors that are out there, we have some very exciting news regarding our turnaround times. One of the main reasons why doctors kind of avoid the stackable systems, or guides especially, is because of the turnaround time. It takes too long to get to surgery after the patient's dropped a bunch of money to get this surgery done. Well, we're able to help out with that now. We are speeding our time up to get the doctor to surgery. We're going to speed it up by about a week. Typically with 4 to 6 weeks, we can get you there a lot faster now. How are we able to do this? Well, we brought all the work in-house. Our planning is of course in-house, but even all the guide fabrication, the metal 3D printing, that is all done in-house now. So we're able to pass that time savings on to the doctor. What's the time frames look like? Well, once you submit your records, we can get you onto a meeting now in 5 days. Now again, as long as the records are good. If there's any questions on the records, please, while the patient is waiting there in your office, give us a call and we're going to verify those records are good to go, and then you send the patient on the way. That's going to help us speed this up for you. Correct record submission, we're going to have you on a meeting in 5 days, as long as your time and schedules allow. After the meeting now, we are fabricating and shipping in 7 days. It used to be 10 days, but it's now 7 business days, so we're speeding that up as well. So again, the goal of this is to make it easier for you to get these cases through your offices, and we want to have you fully guided, beautiful guided prosthetics, and have a nice smile leaving there, all through the power of CHROME GuidedSMILE. If you have any questions on CHROME GuidedSMILE or anything we do here at ROE, please give us a call, check us out in our socials, and we look forward to doing the next full arch case with you.